Well, hello and good morning, everyone. During today's presentation, we will talk about drone delivery challenge. At the slide, you can also see our team members. We took part in Kaggle's playground competition. Initially, this problem was started during Google's coding competition hash code. We define this problem as distance constraint and capacity split delivery vehicle routing problem with satellite facilities. And you can also see goal of the competition and code requirements. And at the bottom, there is a link to the competition. We have a fleet of drones, list of orders, and products in warehouses, and we must complete orders as soon as possible. Let's state the problem. We have map. It is a two-dimensional grid. The grid is non-cyclic, and drones can fly over our grid. We have some types of products in orders. Each one has fixed weight, and every product weight must be smaller or equal to the maximum drone payload. Warehouses is located in one particular cell. Each has some number of product items of each product type. And warehouses does not necessarily need to have every product type. Orders, like warehouses, located in one particular cells, order considered fulfilled when all of the products are delivered to the customer. We have drones. They can transport products from warehouses to customers and between the warehouses. Drones use the shortest path from cell to cell. It is a Euclidean metric. They have two types of commands: basic, it's load and deliver, and advanced, it is unload and wait. Next, let's move on to our math model. We have our target function, but t and 100%, it is a constant, so we can remove it. And after multiplied by -1, we have a target function to minimize. Then we rewrite t as a product of the length between location and binary x. And we have this target function under condition. First is guaranteed that every client visited at least one drone. The next one, the number of arrivals in vertices equal the number of departures. And the last one, it is a loading drone before arriving the vertices. And then we define dimension. We define it number of vertices on graph multiplied by number of drones. At this slide, you can see visualization of our date. The blue point, it is warehouses. The big one, it is a zero warehouse. At this point, located fleet of drones, and the small red triangles, it is orders. At this slide, you can see solutions that we studied during overview stage. And the two main approach that are used to large-scale VRP, it is a decomposition method and genetic algorithm. This method we were choosing for our solution. And so we proposed two solutions. One of them clustering of clans by warehouses, and after that sequential search with nested selection of the optimal drone. And the second one, it is a VRP solution using parallel genetic algorithm. And at the bottom, there's a link to the solving. Okay, the first one. So you can see main information about our solution. The concept is based by two optimization. It is a clustering and sequential search. And as a result, we will get commands for drone to complete orders. And also you can see on the right side pseudocode. The first clustering, it has two steps. One, it's k-means method, and the second one, it is according our distribution. We find the nearest warehouses that have products we have missing. The k-means method were chosen because it gave the clearest and the most isolated clusters. And also you can see result visualization as a result of clustering. Then we assign encoders with the number of orders on the warehouse. We assign drones to the warehouse. And then we choose a drone that was least engaged and complete the order. And at this slide, you can see visualization of algorithm. At the left side, there is a dependence of target function from the orders. And at the right side, represents the work of drones to deliver products. The next one, we present you solution based on genetic parallel algorithm. Our solution at 65 place, and it's only 11,000 points behind the first place. It is a very good result. So genetic algorithm is a heuristic search algorithm used to solve optimization and modeling problem by random selection, combination and variation of desired parameters. It is similar to the natural selection in nature. So we have population, then we have operators, mutation, crossover, and selection. And after that, we check the fitness value, and we can remove least adapt chromosomes. It is a parallel genetic, this algorithm named like parallel genetic algorithm. So at this slide, you can see.
Go please a little bit faster. More active.
What?
More active, little bit faster.
Okay. So at this slide, you can see how parallel genetic algorithms work. And so there is our fitness function. It is a total distance plus penalty for overloading multiplied by overloading and plus penalty of underload multiplied by underload. And you can see the GIF visualization of these algorithms. As you can see at the 53 epochs, we stopped by 100,000. And so, talking about our future research, we will try to adapt algorithms that are winners of our large-scale competition optimization. And so that's all. Thank you, everybody.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. So can you show the last leaderboard from the last method? Yes. So the result is that we are on the 65, right? 65 place. Yeah, that's not bad. That's not bad because I have checked the participants from the first top 10 places, and most of them, with some exceptions, are the very experienced software engineers and even some CEOs for AI companies. Of course, they are not. They were not developing the solution, but they were kind of managing the solution that they apply with. So there's not this competition was not only for the students or PhD students. So top developers from all around the world participated in that. So I think that's a big win for this team. Of course, if we would use more sophisticated methods, we would be able to get even to the, I think, top 20. I think would be okay. Even maybe even top 10 would be possible, but no one knows right now, right? So let's have a check at the next competition, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you for you.